everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we will discuss a too big to write number, which is also known as Graham's number. So let's start. You tell me, how big is a billion? So for those who don't know, a billion is 1 followed by 9 zeros, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is a billion. Now let's go bigger, a trillion, then a quadrillion, and then finally jump to the a Googol number. A Googol number means 10 raised to 100, which means a 1 followed by 100 zeros. Quite big, already far bigger than anything we encounter in our daily life. But mathematicians didn't stop there. Suppose I write 10 raised to 100. Okay, now imagine 10 raised to the power raised to the power 10 raised to 100. Now, so 10 raised to 100 is already a very giant number. Then 10 raised to 10 raised to 100 is again a very giant number. So how will we write that big numbers in a notation format? Okay, that we will discuss in this lecture, and we will discuss about up arrow notation. Now what is up arrow notation? Let me erase all these things and let's start with the up arrow notation. So up arrow notation is this green arrows which you are seeing here. For example, 3 cube is 27, correct? We can write it as 3 power 3 as 27. So this upward notation means the power. For example, if I write 3 double arrow 3, it means 3 power 3 power 3. So the number of arrows means the power of power, okay, which is equal to 3 raised to 27, a big number, correct? So now I think you are understanding to write the bigger number. I hope this point is clear to you all. Now let's do another thing. See, whether you believe or not, you can calculate the 3 raised to 27 is already over 7 trillion. But now can you think of 3 triple arrow 3 is unimaginably larger. And what about 3 4 arrows 3? It's beyond anything you can visualize. Now mathematicians use this operation repeatedly to define a number called Graham's number. And here's the crazy part: Graham's number is so enormous that you cannot write all its digits, you cannot store all its digits. There isn't enough space in the observable universe to write it down, not even close. Yet Graham's number is not infinite. Yeah, Graham's number is maybe the upper bound, but not certainly infinite. Okay, a number with a definite value, just unimaginably large. In fact, compared with Graham's number, a Googol looks tiny. Yeah, a Googol looks tiny because a Googol is just 10 to the power 100. But what 10 power, again the power, the power, the power, the power 100? Can you imagine? Even many famous gigantic numbers look insignificant, and that's what makes mathematics so fascinating. It can create numbers so large that the universe itself isn't big enough to contain their full decimal expansion. Okay, so this is just an introductory video. I'm just giving you idea of Graham's number and its notation, the up arrow notation. If you found anything interesting or anything new, you may hit the like button and you may subscribe to channel also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.